JSON. Okay. Are you ready, class?
Ready, madam.
Okay, XML, you all tahu tak XML? Tahu XML? Okay, so JSON is like XML. Okay, so JSON is a syntax for storing and exchanging data. And JSON is a text, okay, text file written with JavaScript object notation. Okay, so normally mobile apps ataupun application web application, they have a JSON file. Okay, example, kalau you buka application and then they ask you to log in kan. When you want to log in, lepas tu dia tanya you ada tak account Google ataupun Facebook. Kita tak payah create account kan. Kalau kita ada Google, kita ada ni ataupun you nak create baru. Bagi you option. So normally dia akan dapat data tu daripada JSON file lah. Faham tak? Yang tu. Database, ODBC semua guna JSON file. Maksudnya disimpan dalam satu file, text file, nama file tu is the JSON. So that one will include your name and password. To example one. Okay, so JSON in Python has a built-in package called Json. Okay, Json, and then which can be used to work with the JSON data. So example, kalau you nak guna JSON, you have to import JSON. So pass JSON convert from JSON to Python. If you have a JSON string, you can pass it by using json.loads method. Okay, the result will be a Python dictionary. Okay, dalam JSON, the data will be in a form of dictionary. So example here, you want to convert from JSON to Python, you have to import JSON. Okay, let's try here. Import JSON. So X. Okay, remember X equal, this is JSON, equal to, you put code. And then name, John, age 30, city, New York. Okay, you have code and open code and close code here kan. Okay, kalau you guna dictionary, you tak perlukan code ni. Kalau tak ada code ni, is a dictionary. Class, you still remember dictionary?
Yes.
Okay, you can refer to dictionary punya notes Okay, so pass X. So Y equal to JSON dot loads. You want to load X. And the result will be in a Python dictionary. For example, you want to print Y age. So age kat sini 30 kan. So dia patutnya dia print 30 lah. Okay. So they get the data data about age from the JSON file. However, JSON is already sent to the Y. They load and send to Y, and then from Y you can read the data. Okay, from the JSON file. Okay, convert from Python to JSON. Okay, example you have, this one is a dictionary. If you have a Python object, you can convert into JSON string by using json.dumps methods. Okay, example here, import JSON. Okay, this is a dictionary. X equal to name, John, age 30, city, New York. Okay, then convert into JSON. So to convert into JSON, you have to put json.dump. Okay, from JSON to dictionary, json.loads. Okay, here is json.dump. You get the dictionary X and dump into Y. So when you want to print Y, select jadi. Okay, here, name John, age 30, city New York. Okay, this one is in a JSON. You can convert Python object of the following types, okay, into JSON string. You can also convert dictionary. Just now we already try list, tuple, string, integer, float, true, false, and none. Okay, so convert Python object into JSON string and print the value. Example here you have import JSON and then you print. Okay, the first one is dictionary. Yeah. Okay, dictionary, list, tuple. Okay, the first one, dictionary, list, tuple, string, okay, integer, float, okay, true, false, and none. Okay, this is how you convert to JSON. When you convert from Python to JSON, Python objects are converted into a JSON JavaScript equivalent. So example here, Python dictionary, JSON is an object. So Python list, JSON is an array, tuple is array, string is string, integer is a number, float number. Okay, true, but true with a capital true is Python. Small, so capital true, sorry, capital T, small t is true for JSON. Okay, same with the false. And then none is null. So convert a Python object containing all the legal data types. Example here you have X equal to name John, age 30, married true, divorce false, children and Billy, pets none, car dictionary, model BMW MPG 27, model Ford H MPG 24.1. And then print JSON dump X. Okay, so you print, you get all the data. Okay, so you ada macam-macam format here. String, integer, okay, boolean, and then tuple, list, okay, and Billy become into list, okay, and then dictionary. Right? So far, any question, class? Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Alright, okay. Format the result. The example above print a JSON string, but it is not very easy to read with no indentation and line break. Okay, so JSON.dump method has parameter to make it easier to read the result. Use the indent parameter to define the number of indent. Okay, so try JSON.dump x indent 4. Sini indentation ni ni kat sini tak ada apa ni. Okay. So JSON.dump x. So dia ambil value x ini kan. Tapi dia buat indentation 4. Okay, 4 white space. Okay. So you can also define the separator. By default is comma or colon, which means using comma and a space to separate each other, a colon space to separate key from value. Okay, so use separator and parameter to change the default separator. So example here you have JSON dump x, read x, indent 4 separator dot comma and equal. Okay, see here dot. Okay, they put right, and then order the result. Okay, the JSON dump has parameter to order the key of in the result. Use sort. Okay, order mean you want to sort it. Sort parameter to specify if the result should be sorted or not. So in json.dump x indent sort key true. True mean you want to sort. Okay, so it start with a H, and then C, car, model, MM, okay, and then children, okay, divorce, one by one. Okay, divorce, married, name, pets. Okay, depends on the types. Whether it's a list, dictionary, and you will sort in that. Okay, any question, class? I think that's all for Jason. Jason, you are going to use JSON file when you, for example, download data from open database, for example, or public database. And then they will give you sometimes the file in a JSON form. So I hope at that time you can utilize your knowledge on JSON. Okay, format that file so that it's easy for you to read this the JSON file. Alright, class, any questions? Dia susun ikut satu-satu sini. Kita tengok balik data asal ni. Nampak tak sini? Ini dictionary ni kan. Name. Sampai sini. Kita ambil sini. Name, age, married, divorce. Tengok name, age, married, divorce, children. Kan? Okay, lepas children. Pet. And then you have car. Lepas tu car. Okay. Ada berapa ni? Name, age, married. Ayo tengok kat sini. Name, disusun yang ni lah ni. So sepatutnya kat sini nombor satu apa? A lah kan? Age lah kan? Dapat age sepatutnya car. Car children. Tengok betul dapat tak? Sama tak? Age, car, and then children. Okay. Lepas tu C, A, B, C, D, divorce. Divorce, married. Name, pet. Nampak tak? Class? Okay.
Nampak.
So this actually from here. And then you sort it into a vertical order. Alright. Any more questions? Any more question, class?
No question.
Okay. Later, I think you will have question when you try with using the JSON file. But this is not JSON file yet. It's a just fragment of the statement of JSON. JSON file is normally big and then it's a lot of data. It's very, very messy to understand. And this is the way to format back your data. And then from JSON to Python or Python to JSON. And then you can do so many things here, right? Okay, so next, let's move to the topic 25. Okay, this is also application. Okay. Application when you have text data. Have you opened your file, class? Topic 25?
Yes.
Alright, okay. So can we start? Regular expression. So regx. Okay, Python regx is a Python regular expression. Okay, sequence of character that forms a search pattern. You nak search dalam text. Text kan ada banyak kan? For example, in one text, you want to find only keyword, the special keyword. How many keyword appear in that text? Okay, so regular expression can be used to check if string contain in the specified search pattern. Okay, so regx module, Python has a built-in package called RE. Okay, regular expression which can be used to work with regular expression. So you need to import that module, import the RE module. So when you have imported the RE module, you can start using regular expression. Okay, search the string to see if it is start with the, okay, and ends with Spain. So example here, you have import RE, you import regular expression, text equal to the string in the Spain. So you want to search whether the string start with D, so the, and also end with Spain. So you have RE, you need to do X equal to RE dot search the, and then Spain text. Okay. So you tengok ada tanda kat sini kan. Ni tak tahu nama apa this one. Apa nama benda ni Class? What you call this one? This sign?
Oh.
Tak tahu. Okay. Nanti cari lepas tu beritahu saya this one. And also if you put star, star means anything in between, Spain and then $sign here. Okay, there is a meaning between this one, this sign and this one. So this one mean that start with the and end with Spain. To end, you have to put string, a string, $string. Okay, so here, Ctrl C, run. Okay, ini tak nampak Let's try to print what is X. Print X. You print X, you get, so okay, match. Okay, this one is match. So match with this, the rain in Spain. Okay, this one is okay, we start with the in the start in this letter in this statement, and Spain at the end of the statement. Okay, let's say we put Spain and then what else? Spain, Italy, for example. Just put this one and use this one search. So run, tak jumpa. So apa dia nak cari yang ada mula dengan the, pihak dia end dengan Spain. Tapi sekarang ni dia end dengan Italy. So tak jumpa lah. Okay. What if we put rain, the example here, dia run. So tak jumpa. Walaupun ada kat sini tapi dia nak cari the in the first first sentence. Okay. Okay. Ni pun tak jumpa, kenapa? Because it's case sensitive. Alright? Okay. So regular expression function, the RE module offer a set of function that allow us to search a string for a match. Example, you want to do return a list containing all match, you call it find all. Search kita dah guna tadi kan? Search ni search Search ni dah akan carilah, find juga. Return a match object if there is a match anywhere in string. Tengoklah ada tak yang match the dengan the ni dekat mula, the Spain dekat belakang. Okay, so you guna search. Split, return a list where the string has been split at each match. Okay. And stop, replace one or many match with a string. Okay. Meta characters. Meta characters are character with a special meaning. Example here, you ada tanda ni tak dapat ni. Square bracket, a set of character A to M for example, in a square bracket. And then backslash here, signal a special sequence can also be used to escape special character. Example /D. Dot any characters except new line characters Okay, this one tanda apa ni? Tak tahu ni. Start with. Kalau you nak start, you kena guna tanda ni. Macam tadi kita buat Yeah, the. Okay. If you want to end, put $sign. And star 0 or more occurrences. Okay, you put AIX star. And then plus 1 or more occurrences. Kalau you tak nak masukkan 0, you kena letak tanda plus. Kalau you nak perlu include 0, you masukkan tanda star. And then curly bracket, exactly the specified number of occurrences. You kena tahu index ni And then this one bar, either or, either false or stay. And then bracket, capture and or group. Okay, this is meta character. Tengok kat sini kan, kita ada letak meta character. Star, dot, okay. And then $sign and also this character. Kita ingat tahu nama dia apa. Alright, okay, special characters. Okay, a special sequence is a slash followed by one of the character in the list below and has a special meaning. Example, slash A, capital A, return a match if the specified character are at the beginning of the string. Example, slash A, capital A, the. Then slash B, return a match where the specified character are at the beginning or at the end of a word. Okay. The R in the beginning in making sure that the string is being treated as a raw string. Okay, example here, R, you put R and then slash B in. Okay, and then B capital returns a match where the specified character are present but not at the beginning. Sama, okay, dia boleh cari benda yang sama tapi bukan kat depan. Okay, or bukan dekat belakang. So you gunakan B capital. And then D, return a match where the string contain digit. Okay, D 4 digit, 0 to 9. And D capital returns a match where the string does not contain digit. Kalau tak ada digit, so we put D capital. S string contain with a white space. And S capital return a match where the string does not contain a white space character. W returns a match where the string contains any word characters, okay, characters from A to Z. Digit 0 to 9 underscore. Okay, capital W return a match where the string does not contain any word character. And capital Z return a match if the specified character are at the end of the string. For example, you want to find string. You can put /Z. Or you can put $sign. Okay, this is special sequence. Okay, set. A set is a set of character inside a pair of square bracket. Okay, you gonna square bracket. So example, here on return a match where one of the specified character A, R or N are present. And then A to N return a match for any lowercase character alphabetical between A and N. Okay, and then another one here, return a match for any character except A, R, and N. And 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, return a match where any of specified digit 0, 1, 2, 3 are present. 0 to 9 return a match for digit 0 and 9. 0, 5, 0, 9 return a match for 2 digit from number 0, 0 to 5, 9. Okay, and then return AZ, return a match for any character alphabetically between A and Z, lowercase or uppercase. Okay, and then plus, insert plus, star, dot, okay, ini Then bracket, okay, dollar sign has no special meaning. So plus mean return a match for any plus character in the string. Okay, yang ni semua you kena ingat lah. Kalau you nak buat application, you nak kena guna yang mana. Function apa, find all, search, split or sub, and then choose which one. Okay, you nak guna karakter apa ataupun you boleh guna special sequence. Or gunakan set. Okay, so let's look example for find all function. So find all, return a list containing all matches. So you have import re, text the string in Spain, re find all, AI. Okay, in the text. So print X. Dia kata, okay, dia akan jumpa lah I dekat range 1, I dekat Spain. The list contain the match in the order they are found. If no match found, the empty list is written. Okay, example, you want to put EIT. Return to empty list Okay. Kalau tak jumpa, dia akan bagi empty list lah. So return return an empty list if no match found. Example here, you cari Portugal dekat dalam sini. Tak adalah Okay. And then search function. The search function search the string for a match and return a match object if there is a match. Tadi itulah yang kita tengok tadi. A search /s. /s is mean white space. Okay, let's try this one. Import re. And then search /s. So the first white space character is located in the position 3. So 3 kat sini lah 0, 1, 0T, 1H, 2E and then white space is 3. Okay, this is to find the white space /s. If no match are found, the value none is written. Okay, kalau tak ada white space, example dia kat sini. Kalau you tak, ni kan. Macam ni error. Kenapa error? Tak jumpa. Okay. Kat sini kalau yang lain Portugal.txt. Okay, so kat sini no match ni. So dia akan bagi tahu kat sini adalah none. Patutnya lah. Okay. None. Okay. Okay, split. The split function return a list where the string has been split at each match. Okay, example here. You nak split bila ada white space. Okay, so daripada the rain in Spain, akan jadi ni lah ada split ni. You run here. Okay, dia akan space bila jumpa white space /s. So the satu string, rain satu string, in satu string, Spain satu string. Kalau tadi satu string text satu string. Okay, so you can control the number of occurrences by specifying max split parameter. Misalnya you letakkan berapa you nak nak split. Example here you can put 1. You nak split yang satu je split. Bila jumpa white space, you nak split the je. So this one you put satu lah, 1 for white space 1 and then you only split that. So dia akan split the and then rain in Spain is 1 string. Okay, so class, do you have any questions? You understand so far?
Faham so
Faham
far.
Okay. So the sub function. So sub function replace the match with the text of your choice. So replace every white space character with 9. You jumpa white space /s, you replace with 9. So you put sub. So regular expression, import, text, okay, x.re.sub. Dia akan jadi ni lah. Digantikan white space dengan number 9. You can control the number of replacement by specifying the count parameter. Okay, boleh cakap juga kalau you tak nak buat semua, you boleh buat count parameter kat sini, dia letakkan 2 text and then 2. And okay. So dekat sini dia akan ambil 2 je lah. The 9, rain, 9 in. Lepas tu yang ni dia tak buat lah. Okay. White space yang the third one, it will not change into 9. Okay, a match object is an object containing information about the search and the result. So note if there is no match, so the value none will be returned instead of the match object. Example here, import re text the rain in Spain x.re search AI and then print x. Okay, it will print the object. So we match objects. Okay, 5 to 7. Match I. Okay. Dia akan ambil the first one here by default. Okay. Index number 5 to number 7. The rate. The match object has properties and method used to retrieve information about the search and the result. So you can use .span, .string and .group. So span return a tuple containing the start and end position of the match. .string return string passed into function. Group return the part of the string where there was a match. So example, print the position, start and end position of the first match occurrences. Okay, you letak kat sini, the regular expression looks for any word start with an uppercase S. Okay, kita tengok kat sini. So dia akan buat import and then put the R and then /B S. Okay, S is a capital S. Dia nak cari ada tak word yang ada capital S /W. Okay, and then you use x.span. Return a tuple containing start and end position of the match. Okay, so dia akan bentuk tuple lah. So 12 to 17, which is pin in this index. So print the string passed into the function. So re text string in Spain and then you put S, okay, W plus and then X string. So string here, return a string pass into the function. Okay. And so the rain in Spain. Jumpalah yang S ni, besar ni ada. So print the part of the string where there was a match. Okay, the regular expression looks for any word start with an uppercase S. Okay, so you use group here. Okay, so import RE, then you print group. You dapat spin. Okay, if there is no match, the value none will be returned instead of the match object. Okay, okay, that's all for the regular expression. Any questions? Class, any questions?
Okay, Jamil.
Okay, so understand the regular expression, Json. Okay. I- So this Thursday I will give you quiz. Okay, I will give you link into the Google Classroom. Then I plan to do Kahoot, to use Kahoot. Tapi tengoklah macam mana. Kalau tak aku Google Form pun senang je kan. Okay. Google Form ke dekat YouFuture, is it okay? YouFuture tu tak friendly kot. You all ada pernah buat dekat YouFuture tak quiz?
Pernah.
Nah, okay, YouFuture.
7/10. Tapi kadang-kadang dia
Attendance you sign attendance. Tak Kelas, you all dah buat belum entrance survey? Tak Saya harap semua orang buat entrance survey tu dia akan tutup, saya tak tahu bila. Ke dah tutup, saya tak pasti. Dia check Dah tutup lama dah Sekarang ni week, you all week berapa? Week 4 Week 5?
Week 4.
5 4?
5.
5. Okay, 5. So you have another, so minggu depan and another 2 weeks before you are going to finish this one, and you are going to have test. Ke kita nak buat macam small test this Thursday, boleh? Like exercise lah.
Doktor,
Ya,
Khamis ni tak cuti
cuti. Awak cuti boleh tak buat quiz ke, buat test sebagai exercise lah. Awak cuti kan?
Okay, understood.
Cuti saya dah beritahu tadi. Kita tak ada kelas lah. Tapi awak tak payahlah cuti. Buatlah kerja sikit-sikit. Tak pernah bagi awak kerja kan? Kelas ni kan? Programming patutnya banyak exercise kot. Betul tak? Awak buat tak exercise ni? Kena buat sendiri ni patutnya. Kelas? Semua tak jawab. Tak tahu nak cakap apa Tak apalah, puasa benar Alright, so any questions? Let's stop sharing.
Buat masa sekarang tak ada madam.
Okay. How do you find Python?
yang Json dengan apa regular X tu yang baru sikit.
Dia macam ni, dia macam tak sama dengan programming lain lah kan? So you are going to learn pandas, matplotlib dengan numpy kot ada satu lagi. Tapi saya tak ada notes lagi. Jadi notes tu boleh je nak tunjukkan you dalam bentuk yang lain. Tapi kalau dalam tadi tu dalam IPython notebook tu dia lebih mudah untuk faham kan, sebab kita boleh run terus kat situ. Kalau yang lain pun boleh juga kalau nak tunjuk. Tapi itu lebih nampak tersusun kan. Easy for you to understand. I hope by next week kita akan tengok yang tu lah. Kalau tak ada, I will show you an application. Okay, using that library. Boleh? Okay. So, nama simbol. Oh ya ke, ada orang letak ke? Carrot. Carrot ke sebutnya?
Betul lah rasanya, carrot.
Carrot Oh. Tak tahu pula saya. Tak pernah dengar. Okay. Thank you very much. Kita kena note ni. Simbol this one. Carrot. Example.
Doktor, kalau macam kita nak run macam kita nak tulis Python ni yang nanti macam projek ke kita nak guna apa macam yang ni kita guna Jupyter notebook kan?
Notebook lah. Yang ni IPython. You guna notebook. You klik dekat. Sekejap mana tadi? Yang ni sebab dia apa kan. So you cuba buka satu file kosong. New notebook. Dia memang macam tu, dia dalam blok-blok. Under Rex. Share. Macam ni ha. You type kat sini lah apa-apa you nak type. Lepas tu run. Nanti dia akan keluar output kat bawah. Macam tadi. Okay, tadi tu ada teks. Teks tu dalam HTML tadi tu. Okay. Biasa kat sini boleh type panjang-panjang pun tak apa. Example. Let me show you. Pattern. Nah, ada exercise saya tak ada ni pula. Saya tak ada. Nanti saya bagi awak exercise lah. Awak tak pernah try kan? Kelas? Betul tak?
Kita try.
Ya. Yes. Apa dia? Dia tak tunjuk saya exercise, saya tak jawapan pula. Apa Afi? Akil buka pintu ke? Apa dia tadi nak tanya apa? Jom saya tengok ada tak yang ada jawapan. Okay, example here ni dalam array nampai. So you want to print X1. Ni tak run code ni. Okay. Kalau yang ni, kalau you nak run kan, bila you run, dia akan keluar star dekat tepi ni. So maksudnya dia tengah proses, kalau dia dah dapat jawapan, dia jadi satu. Nanti saya tunjukkan full application. Okay, this is how you write your Python. Okay, tapi you boleh juga guna apa tu? Command prompt pun boleh juga. Kalau pandai guna command prompt, tapi sini lagi senang nak nampak. Okay, any more questions?
No.
Nanti from time to time, nanti I bagi you exercise lah so that you boleh try. Okay, so I think that's all kot. Ada apa-apa lagi tak? Yeah, so I see you next week. So I'll give you exercise and also quiz for you to do and then try your Python. And I see you next week. Okay, so ya ada, aku tanya. Kasih satu mock quiz untuk praktis. Boleh? Saya malah buat soalan. Nantilah saya bagi. Nak praktis sekarang nak? Nak praktis sekarang? Saya tengok sekejap. Sudah lama tak buka apa tu nama dia. Senang je. Apa ni quiz ni? Sekejap. And sekejap ni kelas. Nak cari kat mana dia punya quiz. Apa ya?
Tapi half ni half puasa kan. Pasti.
Kenapa? Wafi umur berapa?
Tak pernah.
Ha?
Aku pernah. Pernah.
Penat? Dah pun penat lagi?
Kan. Sekarang dah berapa dia?
Ha? Dah berapa day?
Puasa.
Aku kan tahu.
Tak lah.
Ha?
Tak.
Mana ni? Okay, edit. Okay. Kau nak buat bila? Hari ni? 26 hari bulan, hari ni pukul berapa? Saya letak pukul 4 Awak ada kelas ke pukul 4? Ha? Ada? Lepas habis kelas ni, sebelum buka nanti awak tengoklah. Siapa-siapa nak tengok-tengoklah
Okay, doktor.
Okay, saya random the place. Okay. Upgrade to increase more. Challenges are not. Dah, tak boleh pula. Okay. Alright. So, copy URL. Saya letakkan dekat ni WhatsApp group Okay. Nanti you try yang ni. Dapat tak? Kat WhatsApp group. Yes, tak nak sekarang. Awak kata nak mock, tengok je. Kan awak nak esok, time tu. Kau nak, awak nak terus ke nak macam mana? Tak ready. Ha?
Doktor ni suka ada markah kan?
Yang ni dia memang terus kalkulate markah tapi saya tak ambil lah.
Tak ambil kan? Okay.
Test je kan.
Test. Okay.
Okay. Ni boleh buka lah sekejap lagi awak boleh buka. Tapi once awak dah buka, dia ada deadline tak? Tak ingat lah deadline ada ke tak. Oh dia dah start sekarang. Awak boleh try. Sampai pukul 6. Ya ni pun betul saya rasa. Ni saya pukul 6. Awak boleh try lah sekejap lagi. Okay boleh? Kena try sekarang ke suka hati? Dalam sekejap je sebab dia 10 soalan about dalam 10 kali 20 minit 23 minit 5 minit habis dah. Okay? Alright? Lepas ni awak boleh try. Ada siapa yang dah buka? Class? Any of you already open? Dah?
Dia terus jawab.
Apa dia?
Dah buka dah.
Dah okay. Kalau you nak try, try lah. Okay, I think that's all for today class. So I see you next week. Class, thank you and assalamualaikum.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, doktor.
Thank you.